A couple of the guys in the group have been asking about Ripple, so I thought I'd do a quick video about it. Now, from the looks of the chart, it looks like we're poised for a little bounce up. And looking at the market structure, it's still quite bullish, even though prices are squeezed right down. We've not broken any of these lows. We've breached here, so here was a few nice entry points. If you got in around 20 cents, there was probably a few good nice entries to get in, but we've just not closed below this level. This is like the bottom of bottoms. So you know that that's kind of the major support lines. And then now we've broken up, broken past this fractal, broken past this one. We've created a nice couple demand zones that are stacked, but I'm just showing you this one here just for clarity. And price has just slowly gone back into it. We know price has gone down mostly because of the whole securities issue, but it is what it is. It's telling you that, there are investors still involved as price is breaking above previous levels. We have yet to come anywhere close to where it was at, $3, but let's zoom in and see what we can look at. So going back to the weekly, similar structure again. We've got a nice break up in terms of market structure. So we're very bullish here. And then prices is mostly consolidating slowly downwards, but it's more of a wedge. We've got these straights here, and then price is just squeezing down, angling. So there may be a peak as we drop right down, but then price, most likely will rally up if there's a peak. Right now, the way things are looking, I just see it kind of just, slowly moving up. But let's just see if we can find any entries on the daily. If you're looking back in March, we had this level there, and then last week we had a big drop off in price for all the altcoins in general, but we did not close below this level. So that's a nice kind of failed swing low. And let me just zoom in to confirm that. Yeah, so a nice failed swing low right there. And if you had your 1,000 USD and you're like, "Oh, what am I going to put it in? What am I going to load the boat with?" This would have been a nice kind of earner for you to get in around at this level. If we zoom in on the daily there, we'll probably see a nice demand zone way back, which we definitely put out in the group. So here, once we broke this level here, there's your chances to get in at 70 cents. Then again at just over 70 cents. And your last chance, 71 cents. So around these three levels, this price you can see is slowly ascending up, creating this little baby trend on the 1 hour. And then we've just kind of gone through it. We did pull back heavily, but you're looking at targets at these previous highs here. So that would have given you a nice return on your investment. So let's put it there just to be realistic. Yeah. So a nice two ratio. That's 2 to 1. Yeah, not too bad. And obviously, if you were a little ambitious, you could have held out, but we like to, keep it modest and hold on for the next one. But I still feel that on a daily, we've definitely got some room for some expansion as price is still looking to, you know, head up and test these levels. As you can see, the daily is also bullish. So we were once down and then we went flat. And then once we broke past that level here, once we broke past this lower swing high here, now you can see that that downtrend is done. And then we're looking into new territory. Price has gone a bit sideways, so we've not really made any subsequent higher lows. It's kind of really equal lows, to be honest, even though the wicks are obviously offset. The lows are the lows, like the closing of the price is just the same. So we've not really moved up, but this may be like a nice little double bottom for price to just bounce off and continue now that we're middling, and then test this $1 level where I know that, prices returned a couple times, but we'll see if we can break through it this time. And that is all I have for Ripple.